Hi guys, this is Ravikran. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do the short ride review of Honda Highness CB350. So this is the all new Honda Highness 350 dual tone color. This is the Deluxe Pro variant, which is matte black with matte grey color combination. And I have also made a quick futuristic video. So if you want to see that, you can watch that video from my iCards. And before starting our video, those are watching my videos for the first time, please click subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will get me updates immediately when I upload a video. So let's start the vehicle. So the engine sound is very decent. So basically this has 348cc engine, which means it produces 21 PS power at 30 Newton meters of torque. And it's basically a lightweight vehicle. It has only 181 kgs, which is very light when compared with its competitors. And there is an empty road here. Let me give you a quick drag so that you will get to know about the power of this vehicle. And let me stop here. First gear it is touching almost 50. Second gear it is doing 80. And third gear it is taking all the way to 100. So in third gear we can touch the speed of 100, and basically this has 5-speed transmission. Comparing its speed, we can say that this bike can easily cruise at a speed of 100 without any problem. Basically this has air cooled engine, it's not any oil cooler in it, and engine has to cool itself by external air. Check the suspension here. Suspension is very soft. Initial impression, suspension is very soft, because on the front section you got telescopic suspension from Showa. Showa is a good brand, and they make good suspension. And on the rear set you got hydraulic twin shock absorbers. So on either side, on the left and the right, you got two shock absorbers that are hydraulic, and in combination, like telescopic and hydraulic shock absorbers, they in together they work very good. Power wise, no issues at all. Actually the power is adequate. It's very linear, and riding stability is also good. And let's test the brakes. In hand they have a speed breaker. Hit the brakes very hard. Wow, ABS is working very fine. And I have to tell you one more main advantage, that is this bike has Nissin brake calipers on the front as well as rear. The current bike which you are looking is the Deluxe Pro variant, where this bike has Bluetooth connectivity, and there are actually 3 changes with the Deluxe and Deluxe Pro variant. So this is the Deluxe Pro, and it's a dual color variant with Bluetooth functionality and dual horns. So these are the 3 simple changes with the Deluxe and Deluxe Pro. And the rest, everything, the engine and everything, technical specialty, all are the same for Deluxe and Deluxe Pro. And prices are also a little bit different. This bike is priced, like the Deluxe Pro is priced at rupees 2,22,000 on road, and 2,16,000 for Deluxe variant. So those are really interested in buying this vehicle, you can definitely opt for this vehicle, getting this bike with a greater package, that is Nissin brake calipers, Showa suspension, good reliability, no vibrations at all. As I have done a speed of 100, I didn't find any vibrations at all. At a speed of 100 there are no vibes at top gear. So that is really impressive. And it also has a massive 15 liters of fuel tank, which is best for taking your bike in touring. So while you are touring, you no need to worry about the fuel mileage, and this bike has multiple informations like trip A, trip B, range, battery level, instant fuel economy, and selectable torque control, which means traction control. You have an option of turning on and turning off traction control for this particular vehicle, and you also have USB slot to charge your Bluetooth, mobile or anything electronic gadgets. Overall, I can say this is one of the best and smoothest cruiser I have ridden. And to my surprise, this bike has assistant slipper clutch. Let me take a U-turn here, and let's check the power one more time. Wow. Wow, on third gear it's touching 100 speed, and on the fifth you can cruise easily. No vibrations at all. One more time I'm stressing this word, no vibrations at all. So let me take a U-turn here and let's check the power one more time. Wow. Wow, on third gear it's touching 100 speed, and on the fifth you can cruise easily. No vibrations at all. One more time I'm stressing this word, no vibrations at all. There are actually two bikes in comparison with this Honda Highness 350, that is the Royal Enfield, all the 350 segment vehicles, as well as the Benelli Imperiale. So in comparison with those vehicles, this bike is very light and no vibes at all. One of the greatest thing, and classic looking design. This bike has so there are actually two bikes in comparison with this Honda Highness 350, that is the Royal Enfield, all the 350 segment vehicles, as well as the Benelli Imperiale. So in comparison with those vehicles, this bike is very light and no vibes at all. One of the greatest thing, and classic looking design. This is all I can say about this Honda Highness 350, and I have also made a simple futuristic video. So in that video I have addressed each and every detailed features of this, so you can watch that video if you want to see that. And last thing, where you can buy this vehicle. So basically this is a premium vehicle, Honda Highness CB350. So this bike is sold at Honda Big Wing, and as of now Honda Big Wing is coming to Hyderabad, and there are few showrooms that are opening in Hyderabad, and currently this bike is sold at few dealerships, and I will leave the showroom details below, where you can contact them and book the vehicle, and deliveries have also started, and there are actually bikes available right now. So people who are watching my reviews, and if you wanted to buy it right now, can contact below to purchase this vehicle. And if you have any doubts regarding this vehicle, you can contact me on Instagram, because if you comment in the YouTube comment section, there are so many comments that are coming on YouTube. So basically I'll check the Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. If you have any doubts, message me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Ravikran Kasturi, so you can follow me in that. If you have any doubts, message me. If you are watching my videos for the first time, click subscribe button and follow our channel, share our channel with your friends. So that's it. See you in another video. Until then, bye. This is Ravikran signing off.